Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourselves productive, so feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. I am Sunil from EME Technologies, and today we are here to learn how we can install NetBean, that is IDE for Java, in our PC. So the steps are very easy, and if you follow my steps carefully, I am sure that you also have to install the same in your PC. So further ado, let's get started. Uh, I have already downloaded the setup for NetBeans in my PC, and this is the NetBean 8.1. And for you guys, you have to visit this site oracle.com, or you can visit the official site of NetBeans, from where you can install the setup. This is the actual setup which comes with JDK 8. Okay, after downloading the setup, just follow what the steps as I do. Double click on this setup. It will ask for permission. For admin permission, simply tap yes. Here we go. The installer is now started. Okay, fine. Now it will provide the things in NetBeans. Actually, we can. It is the base ID where we can program our C or C++ code, PHP codes. Basically, NetBeans is used for Java purpose only, but you can also implement the codes for C, C++, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, whatever you want. Okay, now what is runtime? In runtimes, you have to install the server. Basically, it is for the advanced server purpose. And in my condition, I have already installed them manually. But if you want to install it, just click on customize, and you have to check these boxes. After checking these boxes, simply tap on OK. After doing this, simply click on the next button. You have to accept the terms and condition. Simply accept this. Now click on next. Okay. Basically, I've already installed 8.1 in this path, so I have I am having this error message. But in your case, you don't have this message. For this, I will shift the path into another track. For example, I will create a new tablet new testing net, right? Now I will click on OK. Yeah, there we go. Now I will click on next button. You can check this box for the latest update if you want, and after that click on install. It will take some 15 to 20 minutes to install. Okay, in this case, and actually we are don't need any JDK path to place in our environment variables, but still I will show you how you can set up the path for environmental variables. For that, you have to install the JDK. This is the JDK, latest JDK, I mean, that is 10. And you have to install this. If you are programming in Notepad with an extension of .java, you need this. Yeah, basically you need this. And for Eclipse purpose also you need this JDK. Okay, Eclipse is one other IDE for Java programmers, and implement we can also implement codes in Java in Eclipse, as well as we can create Android applications with the help of Eclipse. Okay, now I will show you how you can set up the path over here after installing the setup of JDK. Just simply install it. And okay, fine. I will do this for you. I have the JDK in my this folder. Just double tap on this. You have to give the permission yes. Okay guys, after doing this, I mean after installing the JDK, you have to go to C drive. Yeah, here it is. And in C drive, just hover the mouse over the pointer in program files. In program files, you have to find for Java. After that, click on JDK. Then folder, just copy the path from here. Okay. Just right click on this PC, go to properties, hover to advanced system settings. Yeah, here it is, environment variables. Just click on this. Now you have to click in new button, type path or whatever you want, and the variable value will be your path. That's all you have to do. Okay, okay, and okay. And your JDK path is ready to go. JDK is ready to go. Now, yeah, NetBeans is checking for the latest updates. Here our NetBeans ID is loading for the first time.